Our global manufacturing and supply organization is continuously looking for innovative ways to meet the needs of patients. Our investments at our biopharmaceutical manufacturing site in Brooklyn Park, Minnesota is a testament to this.
In 2018, shortly after beginning commercial operations for one of our core treatments for ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease, we identified that global demand would soon surpass our supply. So Takeda decided to invest $45 million in our Brooklyn Park manufacturing site to greatly increase production capacity and help us provide more patients with life-changing treatments.
We executed a pioneering strategy to increase production capacity while maintaining product consistency despite substantial manufacturing change. Through a comprehensive analytical characterization and a small bioequivalence study, we eliminated the requirement of a large-scale clinical trial. This success was possible through the cross-functional collaboration and our pharmaceutical science team's confidence.
In March 2023, the Brooklyn Park team completed all process qualification runs. This was a key milestone for the project's success. The project involved significant site modifications, including 106 systems, several new vessels, new chromatography columns, and a half-mile of new process piping. Over 25,000 man-hours were required to complete this project. We also authored over 1,000 documents, developed 21 quality control methods, and completely refreshed the automation platforms. Through all these efforts, the site was able to increase production capacity, and the multi-year project was delivered on schedule and under budget. I'm proud to recognize the dedicated and passionate team that led to this impressive outcome.
This unconventional project involved a major lifecycle management change for a marketed product with simultaneous internal and external tech transfers while maintaining supply. The cross-functional success sets a precedent in our global manufacturing and supply organization, showcasing our ability to serve patients better through collaboration.
Here at Brooklyn Park, we are well positioned to meet increasing demand and have improved our capacity to produce treatments for patients with ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. At Takeda, we push the boundaries to provide ever more patients with life-changing treatments, guided by our purpose of bringing better health for people and a brighter future for the world.